Okay, welcome back again. This time we will continue our onboarding fragment by creating onboarding indicator. For the indicator, there we will use another shape drawable. We create new shape drawable. We name this indicator onboarding indicator active, and another one is the onboarding indicator inactive. On the both parts, we change the selector into shape, then we define the shape as rectangle. Copy and paste this here. And the other attribute is we use colors and corner. Both of them have the colors and corner, but with different colors and size. Here we can use drawable color white because this is for the active indicator. Radius is 10 and we use size with height and width. We use height 10 dp, width 10 dp. So with height and width 10 dp, we give a radius of 10, we have a circle. Or then we can use this code and put it on the inactive part, but with different color. Is txt white transparent, so it will be a little bit darker. Another option, maybe you can use a circle instead of a rectangle. Then we also have to create a layout for layout resource file item onboarding. So on this layout we will use this to be generated on the onboarding using Viewpager, but we need to create the layout first. See the layout layout item onboarding. Okay, we have this layout, so we need a constraint layout and an image view. We can use this as a placeholder. Put this on the top and giving a margin tops of 100 dp. Okay, let's just see the config on the finished. Oh, I see. Okay, this is a better way. There's a better way. We can use a horizontal guidelines. Click on the triangle. If you can see the triangle, there is a triangle here. This is a helper to change from the width to percentage based. I put this on the 50% and we align the image to the 50%. We can add a bottom margin. Another things we can do is to give this a name, img onboarding. Then we can add a text view. Okay, we name this title txt title, and then we can name this another text view. give a name of txt slogan. Okay, this align to left and right. Hey, or we can just use this one with 0. Okay. There are several styling that has to be done. Where is my finished project? This one. So the fonts. Description 16 dp, title 20 sp. Okay, Roboto. Okay. Font family Roboto, bold, and then text size is 26 sp. Oh, I guess this is too big. 24 sp. Then text color txt white. It will be disappear, but because we use this as an item on the onboarding layout, it will follow the background on the onboarding fragment, so it is not a problem. Color white, then size 16 sp, then font family Roboto bold. Okay, let's see. Roboto bold and Roboto medium. Oh, I forgot to add another custom fonts. This is using a Roboto medium, so we have to add another fonts. Roboto. We choose Roboto medium. Okay, add font to project. Okay, it is finished, but we should create margins 100 dp and 6 dp. Description margin top 16 dp. Okay, we add this margin top 100 and this one is 16 dp. Okay, we finished with the layout on the item onboarding, but we can see that this is an error, hard-coded text, blah blah blah, without content description. Is not a big deal, but we can do it by doing this extract style refactor. Oh, where is that extract file style? Oh, we cannot extract style from this one. Okay, not a big deal. I think this is for this video. We have learned how to create a custom shape drawables for the indicator active, both for active and inactive. Then we are already create a custom layout for item onboarding. So on the next videos, we will start to create the view holder for no view holder, adapter for Viewpager2 on this fragments here. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, as usual, you can use the comments section below, and don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you. See you next time.